Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. So I'm here to go through some of the propaganda that's going on. Enemy at home, indoor enemies are one of the worst enemy anyone can have. I'm not going to make this video to be too long. I just have a few things to say because I've seen that Nigerian government have donated their media platform to facilitate the work of IPOB in Nigeria. If you are an Igbo person or a Biafran and you feel that what Nigerian government are saying and the propaganda is hurting you, channel your anger to your brothers and US. If I told you still see them as your brother, because I don't think I don't think that most of you regard them as your brother because of the attitude and their what they're displaying. Now, this is from Vanguard. Vanguard said that Biafran declaration in Finland is a scam. IPOB warns. Why are they choosing to publish what IPOB says? Because they're saying that in line with what they want. They are doing everything possible to make sure they prove a point. And that point is that whatever that is going on in Finland is not in line with what the government wants. So are you going to blame the government for your brother to be gullible or senseless? No, it's not. You don't need to blame them. They are doing all they can to make sure that they have what they want to have. So funny enough, Vanguard chose to use. They decided to use the picture of IPOB last year when they went to Finland to protest against PM, because what happened this year. This is something they tried all their best to do last year, but they couldn't do that. So they have no other choice than to run to Nigerian government to help them this time, which Nigerian government tried and they failed. They have to run to France and Sweden and Britain to help them to do the work for them. This is what you have, what you get, what you see when you have people that have been sell out trying to be relevant. This is what you get. What I'm trying to say here is I'm not going to say something that most of you are not aware of, but know that anything they're doing now to blackmail Biafrans, they are doing it on purpose because they understand the activities or what it takes to fight for your freedom. That it requires your seriousness and dedication, which they are not going to give you. Now, the propaganda, is still going on. As you can see, this one called himself a voice of Igbos, which in the he said, imagine your struggle with your haters. When I don't know what you mean, your struggle with your haters. When I said these people are being sponsored by APC, you come here and be running your mouth. Imagine no Duduwa with Biafra, or Duduwa that will sell you people off for bread and beans with laugh. That god, this madness was done in Finland. That god, this na oyibo 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 ka nkụ amakwana m asụ, but at least akakakwa m ndị a. He said that god, these people, that god, this madness was done. I think what he wanted that is what this madness done in Finland. And he captured a picture of a Bidua flag that is behind this our brother finance minister Nkere. He want to use that to do propaganda. People that don't know what they want, they're out of their mind anyway. Speaking of people that sell people out, because I love that statement. What he's trying to say here is that Oduduwa people are not to be trusted. Don't trust them because they are Oduduwa, they will sell you out for peace. The question is, since you actually don't like people to sell you out, then what are you guys doing? Is he not selling out? Oh God, you are here doing the work of government, Nigerian government. At the same time, you are you think you can criticize Oduduwa for being not sabo, being what is the word? They can't trust them, betrayer, right? They will betray you. Something that you are known for as DOS IPOB Nigeria. This is what you are known for. Listen, if you don't want you don't want Biafra to come, don't deceive people. Now, Nigerian government, they are very, very, busy reporting against the declaration. Sahara Reporter, Vanguard, all of them, Daily Time, all of them are now reporting that IPOB associate themselves, they disassociate themselves from declaration and all that. Of course, they should, because Biafra cannot be declared by criminals. They cannot be declared by fraudsters. Biafran can never be. No, mention one nation, one country in this world that was declared by people that behave like DOS. Mention one country. None. You have to see people like them from a country that the white man formed for them. Now listen, a reporter says IPOB disassociate them itself. IPOB disassociate them. I always say them. IPOB disassociate itself from Biafran declaration in Finland. Says participants are sponsored of Southeast violence. Now, you see how when they get to the point of saying what DOS normally says, what IPOB normally says, that they are sponsored by government, Sahara will meet that place because all of them are in the same canopy. Their own, see, if you are not if you are not in Nigerian government, you are not in Nigerian media, you are not in DOS, because if you are, of course, you are just like what I just mentioned now. So if you are not in any of this group and you somehow don't understand what they're doing, because what they're doing is actually to insult you. Yes, they believe that you are stupid, that whatever they says, you will accept it. DOS said that PM is the Nigerian government agent. The same DOS is now, um, share they're now, push the message of the government to you, for you to accept. And the same Nigerian government who they claim that is behind this security in Southeast with Simon Ekpa being Biafran Prime Minister, that they're working hand in hand, are now the one telling you that, look, the DOS is not in support of this thing, in celebration. When the government celebrate, they celebrate together. When government decry, they cry together. Do you understand that? All this thing is to insult your intelligence and to make you look like a fool. So unless for you to accept it, nobody's gonna change your mind from that, because you have to be the one to do it for yourself. Here is Koiki Media. Koiki has been doing a very marvelous work, not because of his engagement or his time for Biafran declaration, but what he's doing in making sure that, or what I've been doing in making sure that he he reports what's going on in Finland for other people, for all people to understand it. He analyzes it a lot. He devotes his time to do that. But those who claim they are Biafrans are telling you that that the Oduduwas are, they can sell you out, they can do this, they can do that. That you form alliance with people does not mean that the person will give you everything in them. Are you going to rely on Oduduwa people to give you Biafra? The answer is no. They are fighting for their own right. So why must you bring all your effort to Oduduwa so that they will betray you, like we're saying? Speaking of, talking of betrayers, you are the one to be suspect, because you have been betraying Biafrans, not one, not two, not three. That's what you are known for. So what are they talking about? Many born bastard in Yoruba people, they think with all attacks on my page will stop me from supporting Biafra. You are all born bastard. Now, Koiki is also facing the same issue, that his fellow Yoruba people are not happy that he's reporting about Biafran declaration of Biafran activity of Biafrans in Finland. They are attacking him, writing to him, writing to him and making sure that trying to push him out from reporting what is going on. The same thing that US are doing. So this is to tell you who they are, and it is time for you to use your tongue to count your teeth, okay, and be smart. I'm not gonna make the video to be too long, like I said. I just want to share this with you. Tell me what you think about what I discussed just now, because I know most of us, when you see that, you don't have time to deliberate on it to understand the handwriting on the wall. Thank you so much, and please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video, comment and share it. God bless you. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.